Okay, so now we're at the like a darker eye, like a brown eyes typically. I went ahead and created a brown here, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of red into here. I'm gonna go ahead and color the eye, of course. Then about right here, making sure I get that fully in. What I can do next is add some white to kind of give some little color differentiations um, into the eye color. That come out right there. Then let's say I want to go ahead and add my pupil to the eye. I think I put too much paint there, so that's why I'm having a little issue with that. Then if I want to add the reflection spot, that's fine. I can add that right there and let that dry. Of course, I want to show the shaded part of the eye. So I'm going to go ahead and get my brown color that I have here. Oh, no, that's not the color I want. It's going to shade that top part of the eye to kind of show where the shaded part of the top part of the eye is, and typically where your lashes are at, of course. I'm also going to go ahead and start working on the eyelid. You can probably go ahead and go to the bottom part of the eye to show that color. And I can always rework the skin tone when I'm ready to. I'm gonna add some white. I can do that. So I'm going back with the color that I created to go over the white part of or the lower part of the bottom eye cheek area. Okay. All right. So then next I'm gonna go ahead and let's say if someone has mascara, if you wanna, or wearing fake lashes, or you wanna show like how strong their eyes are, you can go ahead and either shade it, you can shade that top part like that, or you can go ahead and give them individual lashes to pop out. It just depends on who you're drawing. Some people don't have mascara on, so I would just recommend just probably just doing it like that in that sense. And of course, if they got bottom lashes. If the bottom lashes stands out, if it's like a Kim Kardashian or something, you can go ahead and add that there if they're wearing mascara. If they are not, you don't want to, you want to make sure you have it to where it's barely showing then. Not too much. So there you kind of have it. You have typically one eye. I am going to continue working on this just a little bit more, but this is the general idea of someone that is probably very brand new to painting, is to paint with tempera paint with eyes, okay? Stay tuned for the next video, which I will be doing a tutorial on noses. Thank you so much, and y'all have a good day. Bye.